a single pallet, provided you don't crack them as you rip them off. I do have a spare pallet now, which I think I'll make some sort of a shelving, so I can keep more pots vertically. So this took a lot of time, but I got there in the end. I was trying to be very careful so I don't crack the boards or split them as I was ripping them off. So this is going to go on to become a shelf. At present I've got a few thoughts in my head of splitting the main boards, the main planks into half. So this is the main one. It's quite thick. So this half, so there are 3 of these. So if I get them into half, then I'll have 6 of them, so I can support the shelving in the center as well. Just a thought. Let's see. Got 3 levels. Yeah, I will be most likely cutting this one to size because one of the panels is wider. This one's wider. So the original idea was to cut down 3 beams, which were the tallest. That's 1, and there are 2 over there. So that's approximately 1 meter 20 centimeters. So I will be using them as is because they are load bearing in some ways, and I also have this error which I'm considering utilizing as a cross beam to support the slats. So 3 levels. First level of whatever slats I recovered, which are in good state. Second level has got 1 wide slat, so I'll make up for that by cutting this to size if I feel like it, or probably just use it. Right now, where things stand, it's quite haphazard anyways, so let's see. I might spend some time getting it straightened up, and then a thicker bit of would be one of them. So I'll put this most likely at the base, right? And this one, this one's the fatter one, around 2.5 depth. This one's 1 centimeter depth, so I will cut this at 20 centimeters, double back, and then take the remaining 16 or so, because this entire piece is of length of 56, so that's 40, and it's another 16ish. So take that 16 centimeter and somehow work it out on this and put some screws to give it some strength, and use this behind and always keep it behind, so that way I will make up for the deficit in the number of supporting beams. So I patched up one of the slats which is going to form the pillar, and it's now at the correct length. So now I have 4 the length that I desire, which is around 1 meter 20, so the tallest as possible. Now I use the rest of these as slats. I put a bit of wood over here so I can make these sit on them. That's about it. So other than this patchwork here, I think I've got most of it done. Well, all of it done. So I'm gonna pick this up, and if it's strong enough, it should not break. That will be the first test. I've obviously dropped it down here, so it did not break at that point. And picking it up, there you go. So 3-tiered shelving made completely out of rescued salvage wood from the pallet from a previous herb wall that I had made, which will be visible in the background in just a moment. That's that, and it's time to put this in use. Right, so just dumped some of the things that were just lying about on the shelves just to get an idea of its utility. I tell you, it's very useful because I got more space freed up for general living. Mango seeds, and some cutting from the rose. I have no clue what that is. I'm waiting for it to grow. Hopefully this rose will grow. Now it's also got some place to both hide away and yet get some light. One of the mango seeds are in here. It's gonna be fun. Some more rose cuttings.